guys, and today I'm going to discuss about economic problems of the Philippines and the best way to solve them. The most common problems that we are currently facing in the Philippines is the usage of our natural resources, most especially trees. Cutting of trees can affect all living things on earth because it gives us so much purpose. Trees provides the food that we eat and the air that we breathe, and they absorb the carbon dioxide and make things like table, chair, houses, pencils, papers, and many more. But people don't know that cutting of trees can be a huge problem for us because they are the ones that help prevent global warming. For my solution, this would be take of consideration of how much natural resources are being used. Supposed to be, a pencil making company uses at least 20 trees to make a box containing 500 pencils. If the company decided to lower the tree usage, which gives them a box containing 200 pencils, how many trees they need to make a pencil?
To solve it, we must use T as trees and P as pencils. We will use the formula T equals Kp in the problem in the company. They use 20 trees to make 500 pencils, so 20 equals K times 500 and give us 1 over 25 equals K. To solve the second equation, which the company will just make 200 pencils and how many trees is going to be cut. So T equals 1 over 25 times 200, which gives us T equals 8. So the final answer is that the company must cut 8 trees only to make 200 pencils.
All companies must use lower tree usage to save trees and save all living things. If the companies will argue about it, they must plant trees if the company use more trees.
Our second problem is about school facilities. One of the biggest problems in the Philippines that many parents and students are currently suffering and complaining is about the scarcity or lacking of classrooms. In today's generation, classrooms are very important. Some schools have only 2 to 3 classrooms, which is not enough for the students. And this problem is very common in public schools. Supposed to be, there must be 30 students in each classrooms. If the school only have 3 classrooms, which holds up to 40 students, with a total of 120 students, how many classrooms must be added to make it 30 students per classroom?
To solve this problem, we use C as classroom and S for student. We use the formula C equals K over S. In the problem, there are only 3 classrooms, and each of them holds up to 40 students. So, 3 equals K40 and times it both sides by 40 and becomes K equals 120. For our second equation, in every classroom must hold up to 30 students, so C equals 120 over 30, which give us C equals 4. So the school must have 4 classrooms to make it 30 students each.
The school must add classrooms so that there will be a conductive learning and a better ventilation.